Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. How are you children? I hope everyone is doing well and I wish and bless, be happy and be healthy and be safe at home. Today we have first assignment for 9th class on chapter 4 lines and angles. In this assignment we have 3 questions and we will discuss that now. So, the first question is like this children, that is define transversal line, write the different angles formed with the transversal line. In this we will see first the definition of the transversal line. A line which intersects two distinct lines. So, which intersect two distinct lines, that is M and two distinct lines at two distinct points, that is here and here. So, at two distinct points, isn't it? At two distinct points. Now, this line, this L line, we call it as transversal line. So, here L is transversal line and M, N are two distinct points and this and this are two distinct points, isn't it? Now, we will see what are the different angles formed with the transversal line. See, we have 8 different angles over here formed with the transversal line when it intersects two distinct lines. So, now these two different angles and these angles have basically divided into 4 types. Those are, see, corresponding angles, and alternate interior angles, and alternate exterior angles, and last one co-interior angles. So, here what are corresponding angles? So, corresponding angles are those, one is exterior and one is interior. Exterior means what? Those angles which are outside the distinct lines, and interior means what? Those angles which are inside the distinct lines, isn't it? So, now 1, 2, 7, 8 are exterior angles, whereas 4, 3, 6, 5 are interior angles. Now, corresponding angles means one is exterior and one is interior, that is angle 1 is corresponding to angle 5, isn't it? Angle 2 is corresponding to angle 6 and angle 4 is corresponding to angle 8 and angle 3 is corresponding to angle 7, isn't it? Now, we have 4 pairs of corresponding angles over here. Now, what are those 4 pairs of corresponding angles? Angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 3 and angle 7, isn't it? So, we have 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Now, we have alternate interior angles. What are alternate interior angles? Means here alternate interior angles means interior angles. That means what? Alternate interior angles should be interior angles, isn't it? So, here 4, 3, 6, 5 are interior angles, isn't it? But in this alternate interior angles, that means what? It should be, see, 4, 6 are alternate interior angles. Why? Why? Because there are opposite sides of transversal line and opposite sides of transversal line. And here if you see 3, 5 are alternate interior angles and they should be opposite sides of transversal line. Now here we have two pairs of alternate interior angles. What are those? Angle 4 and angle 6 and angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Now in the similar way, alternate exterior angles are those angles which are exterior angles, means outside the distinct lines. Those are, see, angle 1 and angle 7, angle 1 and angle 7, here angle 2 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 8 are exterior angles, are alternate exterior angles. So in the similar way we will see co-interior angles. Actually co-interior angles, co-interior means what? Interior angles on the same side of transversal line, on the same side of transversal line, we call those angles as co-interior angles. Let us see, 4, 3, 6, 5 are interior angles, isn't it? But here angle 4 and 5 are on the same side of the transversal line. So 4, 5 are co-interior angles, angle 4 and angle 5 are co-interior angles. In the same way, angle 3 and angle 6 are co-interior angles. Like this, different angles formed with the See here, children, we will see in the next question. In this question, in the figure, he has given that AB is parallel to CD and FE is perpendicular to CD. That is, AB, these two lines are parallel, and FE is perpendicular to CD. And in this, he has given one angle, that is angle GED. GED is 126 degrees, and we need to find three angles, that is AGE, that is AGE, that is this angle, and GEF, that is GEF and this angle, and FGE, that is FGE, this angle we need to find. So what we have? We have only one angle, that is angle GED. Let us see how we will find. Now see, angle GED is equals to 126 degrees, isn't it? Angle GED is 126 degrees. So now can I write angle GED as angle GEF plus angle FED? Yes, I can write. Now angle GED can be written as angle GEF plus angle FED, isn't it? Now is equals to what? 126 degrees. Now next to see, angle GEF is equals to plus angle GEF plus angle FED. So can I write angle FED as 90 degrees is equals to 126 degrees. Why? Why? Because since given what? FE is perpendicular to CD, isn't it? FE is perpendicular to CD. Then angle FED is equals to what? 90 degrees, isn't it? So now angle GEF is equals to 126 degrees minus this 90 comes there, and 90 minus 90 degrees, isn't it, when it comes to RHS. Now angle GEF is equals to 36 degrees. So angle GEF is equals to what? 36 degrees. That is, angle GEF is 36 degrees. Now let's find another angle. Now see, let's find out angle AGE. See, now see here, angle, see, these two are distinct parallel lines, and this line G is a transversal line. isn't it? So let it be transversal line. If this is a transversal line, then this angle and this angle are what? Alternate interior angles, isn't it? So now angle AGE and angle GED are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. But see, we have one condition: when two distinct lines are parallel to each other and one transversal line intersect those two distinct parallel lines, if alternate interior angles are formed, then those are what? Equal. Those are equal. So now are equal, isn't it? Now therefore angle AGE is equals to angle GED. Now angle AGE is equals to what? 126 degrees. Why? Since given what? Angle GED is 126 degrees, isn't it? Now we can find in a similar way, we can find, so now this angle AGE is what? 126 degrees, being alternate interior angles. Now we need to find FGE. FGE. So let's find that. See, now find the angle FGE. How? Let's see here. Now see here, angle FGE and angle GED are what? Co-interior angles, isn't it? Why? Because see, these two are interior angles and at the same time on the same side of the transversal line. So those angles which are interior and on the same side of the transversal lines are co-interior angles, isn't it? Now see here, now angle FGE and angle GED are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. But see, when two distinct lines are parallel to each other and when any transversal line intersects those two distinct lines, then co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary means what? Sum of those angles should be 180 degrees, isn't it? So are co-interior angles which are supplementary to each other. Which are supplementary. That is angle FGE plus angle GED is equals to 180 degrees, isn't it? Now angle FGE plus angle GED is given, what is that? 126 degrees is equals to 180 degrees, isn't it? Now angle FGE is equals to 180 degrees minus 126 degrees. Why? Because this 126 goes to RHS, it will become minus 126, isn't it? Now angle FGE is equals to what? FGE is equals to 54 degrees. 54 degrees. Now angle FGE is 54 degrees. So like that we found AGE, GF and FGE, isn't it? So see, let's see third question, that is in the figure, in this figure PQ, this PQ is parallel to ST and he has given two angles, that is PQR is 110 degrees and RST is 130 degrees, and we need to find QRS, angle QRS. So we need to find this angle. Let's see how. See, I will make some construction here. See, this is a line, isn't it? So if you take like this one line, so extend this line and extend this line also. These two lines are parallel to each other, isn't it? Now see, if you extend this line, so extend this one like this, extend like this. See, now tell me, these two lines are parallel to each other and this is a transversal line, isn't it? So when this is a transversal line, these two angles are what? Corresponding angles, isn't it? Corresponding angles. These two lines are corresponding angles. Now if this is 110 degrees, corresponding angles are equal. When two distinct lines are parallel and any transversal line intersects those two distinct lines, parallel lines, then corresponding angles are equal, isn't it? Now if these two are corresponding angles, then they should be equal angles, isn't it? So now this will be what? 110 degrees, isn't it? So when this is 110 degrees, when this is 110 degrees, so now let's take like this. So now here this will be U, isn't it? Now see here, write down here solution. Now angle PQR is equals to angle, let's take here some PQRST UV. Now this QUV is equals to QUV. QUV is equal to what? 110 degrees, since corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, isn't it? Corresponding angles. Now see here. Now when, see, this angle is what? This total angle? Straight angle, isn't it? This total angle is straight angle. That means what? Now see here, angle QUV plus angle QUS is equals to what? 180 degrees. Why? Since straight angle, isn't it? Now angle QUS is equals to 180 minus angle QUV. Why? Because this QUV goes there. See, 180 minus angle QUV is what? 110 degrees, isn't it? Now angle QUS is what? 70 degrees, isn't it? So this is 70 degrees. Similarly, if you take these two angles, these two are what? Straight angle. Now similarly, angle RSU is equal to what? 130 plus 50 here. So this will be 50, isn't it? 50 degrees. Now, so RSU is equal to what? 50 degrees, isn't it? Now see, if you take this one, that is RS, so this forms a triangle. In triangle RSU, in triangle RSU, sum of angles should be 180 degrees. What is the property of one of the property of triangle is sum of angles should be 180 degrees. That is angle 70 plus angle 50 plus, and this is angle QRS. QRS is equals to what? 180 degrees. Now angle QRS is equals to 180 minus 120 degrees. That is nothing but 60 degrees. So angle QRS is 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees, isn't it? So like this we can find the angle of QRS. Okay children, that's all for today. We will meet in the next session. Okay, have a nice day, all the best.